It's your boy, Myneim, Mcpotar, the Mike's Templar, all of that. Michael, I ain't a psycho, but when the lights go, I'm on the rhyme for this.
Always keep a jotter for rhymes in my backpack, way before the gram or the Twitter and the Snapchat. Working on rhyming delivery, the breath work. Homie, I had bars like a fully loaded network. I don't ever backtrack on doubling my net worth. I don't mind the black text, I owe my people credit. Black power like the battery, since I'm ever ready. Cash power, check how the people getting hooked. I'm crack powder, track how the price is up already in the ghetto where they get down. Please do not compare me to some rappers who done let down what the legends built, but it shakes when I step down. Tremors like a hammer hit the streets. I let the camera capture the inferno. When I started speeding, ammo wasn't my intent to burn up antennas on the street, but you know that's how I turn up. Now you are a witness of how I'm moving business, how to counter challenges and prosper in the seasons. Did it for the big bag, now they want me under like a cavi, kinda zigzag. What you contemplated, I already went and did that. Quick facts, y'all are biased. Pick facts to mix match opinions, supporting all your biases, but still like the genome, we higher on the hierarchy. The chit chat, the rumors, two-minded like the Siamese. If I appease the greats like Moo on such a fire piece. If I could quiz a group like Woo, cause they inspire me. I feel like a version of Park. They have an eye on me, but my first name is also Mike. They have an eye on me, my raps always come out raw. That's a lie on me. If I ain't in your top 5 score, well that's a lie on me. The dudes in your top 5 more than just rely on me for bars, wisdom, insight. I teach them how to win fights. You battle on the outside, the win is in the inside. If hip-hop is the art form, appreciate the atom, cause we started from the bottom, way before the stardom. Stages we've been stuck on, ego driven, yet we grind enough. We got trouble finding us, camera flash is blinding us. If we could know the value that the corporate see and finding us, we will put our focus and focused into binding us. Before he knew his value, they just took a pen and signed him up.
Reminding us that our voices matter, try rewinding that, reminding us that our voices matter, try rewinding that, reminding us that our voices matter, try rewinding that, reminding us that our voices matter, try rewinding that.
And I just want to give a shout out to everybody holding it out for the culture, you know what I mean? I love it. I love the small squabbles too, you know, the pettiness and everything, you know, the stuff that keep attention getting to hip-hop. But now we gotta monetize. Now we gotta get the money, we gotta get the bag, because all of these other people, they using us to make money, man, you know? Yeah.